again with my next experiment. Cars, power plants, factories need to all produce exhausts. Now, these exhausts contain heavy metals, which don't only affect the air that we breathe, but also our drinking water. And these heavy metals are very bad for us, therefore we must filter them out. And today, how am I going to do that is by using an ion exchange resin. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this cotton bud down in this pipette. After that, I need to go and get the ion exchange resin. And I need to go and fill it all the way to the top. Just gonna put another cotton bud, just place it down and I'll compress this. I'm going to prepare the solution. First of all, we need to go and get this beaker of water and we need to go and fill it round about halfway to this plastic cup. With this copper sulfate, I'm going to use the big spoon and we're going to put it in there and pollute the water, since that's going to be our heavy metal. We don't want too much, but not too little. Put it down there. We want to check the effectiveness of our filter. So, first of all, we need to go and fill this up to the 4 milliliter line with this syringe. Put it in this one. Pick this up again with 6 milliliters. This inside our resin. Now we're going to be testing the quality of our test by adding in ammonium carbonate to the copper ions. Just gonna go and open up this. We're going to put 5 drops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want a tiny bit blue, but compare that to that. Now let's see what happens if we put the ammonium carbonate inside our ion exchange resin. There's a green, a bit of blue near the top. I'm not quite sure if you can see that, but what happened here is we mixed ammonium carbonate and copper sulfate, and then this chemical reaction created ammonia sulfate and copper carbonate. Copper carbonate is our blue colour. These resins that we have used are made out of polymers and ions of alkali metals, such as sodium ions. Now, the heavy metal ions replace the sodium ions, then clings to the resins. Meanwhile, water passes through freely, along with sodium ions. These ions are safe to consume in very small amounts, which we have filtered out. This filter is very, very useful against heavy metals. It is ineffective against any organic material. Using activated carbon, it can filter out such materials. This will be inside another episode.